Hi everyone, experiencing a boot loop on your Acer Spark can be frustrating. Here's structured approach to troubleshoot and potentially resolve the issue. Perform a hard reset, power drain, turn off your laptop completely, disconnect external devices, unplug all peripherals including USB drive, printers and external monitors. Remove power sources, unplug the power adapter and if possible remove the battery. Discharge residual power. Press and hold the power button for about 15 to 20 seconds to discharge any residual electricity. Reconnect and restart. Reinsert the battery, connect the power adapter and attempt to turn on the laptop. Access safe mode. Interrupt boot process. As the laptop starts repeatedly, press the F8 key or the specific key for your Acer model to access the advanced boot option menu. Select safe mode. Choose safe mode as safe mode with networking from the list. Diagnose in safe mode. If the laptop boots successfully, consider uninstalling any recently added software or drivers that might be causing conflict. Utilize Startup Prepare. Prepare installation media. Create a bootable Windows installation USB or DVD boot from media. Insert the installation media, restart the laptop and press F12 or the designated key to access the boot menu. Initiate repair. Select the bootable device, then navigate to repair your computer, then go to troubleshoot and tap on startup repair to let Windows attempt to fix startup issues. Run system file checker. Open command prompt from the recovery environment, access the command prompt, execute sfc scan, type sfc slash scan now and press enter. This command scans and repairs corrupted system files. Reset BIOS to default settings. Enter BIOS setup. Restart the laptop and press F2 or the appropriate key during startup to access the BIOS. Load default settings. Within the BIOS, look for an option to load setup defaults or similar, then save and exit. Scan for malware. Use bootable antivirus. Employ a bootable antivirus tool to check for and remove any malware that could be affecting the boot process. Reset hardware components. Check hard drive and RAM. If you are comfortable, ensure that the hard drive and RAM modules are securely connected. Loose components can cause boot issues. Consider a system reset or reinstallation. Backup important data. If possible, backup your data before proceeding. Reset or reinstall Windows. Use the installation media to perform a system reset or a clean installation of Windows. Be aware that this may erase existing data.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.